Hi, everybody. I'm chilling out. It's Saturday, and I've done a lot of work today. So I just want to say that, as women, a lot of times we get pigeonholed. We're one thing and not another. But, I'm an artist. I'm a nationally recognized doll maker. I've worked with shamans for many years. I am a teacher. I've written 2 books. I'm a fashion designer. I love working with textiles, so I love making dolls. And, we're not just one thing. I've done community arts since I was 17. So let's expand how we think about ourselves as women, especially in later life, because we have so many gifts to give to the world. Have a good Saturday.